Once upon a time, in a bright jungle, there lived a naughty monkey named Max. Max loved bananas, but he was also very lazy. One day he saw a glowing golden banana on a tree. "Wow, a magic banana!" he shouted. A wise parrot nearby said, "Be careful, Max, that banana is special." But Max didn't listen. He grabbed the banana and took a big bite. Suddenly, poof! Max turned super fast. He started jumping everywhere, bouncing on trees, spinning in the air, crashing into bushes. "Oh no, I can't stop!" Max shouted. The jungle animals laughed, but also felt worried. Max rolled into a muddy puddle. Splash! Now he was dirty, dizzy, and tired. He cried, "I should have listened." The parrot flew down and said, "Magic is fun, but you must be careful and listen to others." Max nodded. "I'm sorry. I'll be smarter next time." Suddenly, poof, everything went back to normal. Max smiled and said, "Next time, I'll just eat normal bananas."